What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. Today, we're back with another car that's going up for sale at Copart. In fact, by the time you see this video, it's probably already for sale. Now, some of you may be getting tired of the for sale videos, but this is how I advertise to let people know when cars are coming up for auction. This one is already up for sale, so if you're interested in the 98 Eclipse, I highly suggest you get in and you bid now because it's probably not going to last long. I got a lot of cars out here, guys, and it's time to thin the herd. The two old schools back there, the 66 and the 57, those are not going anywhere. The Cobra, soon the Cobra is going to be ready. We've got to put a clutch in it. This one I'm going to hang on to and enjoy for a while. And the Monte Carlo, this one is also already up for sale, man. 2004 Monte Carlo SS Supercharged Dale Earnhardt Jr. Edition. This is a clean title. No wrecks, no floods, no salvage, nothing. It's a clean title. It's got 48,000 miles, runs and drives perfect, cold AC, windows, everything works perfect, brand new tires, Continental Extreme contacts. This is a beautiful car that does exactly what a car is supposed to do, runs and drives perfectly with no issues. This one is up for sale. If you're interested in any of these cars, I'm going to put a link below this video to each one of them. Today's video is about the 2015 EcoBoost Ford Mustang. I actually really love this car. I kind of hate to see it go. That one is already sold, the 92 Crown Vic. And then last, we have another clean title hiding back here. The 95 Chevy Cavalier. This thing is up for sale now. Runs and drives great. 114,000 miles, clean title, 4 excellent tires. Air conditioning does not work. Other than that, though, runs and drives great. You just got to remember to push this button before you open the doors. Even if the doors are unlocked, even if you didn't set the alarm, you have to push this button or the car will not start. It's the rightmost button on the key fob. So remember that. So when you put the key in, it's not going to do anything and the lights are going to flash. Why the alarm is like that, I don't know. If I knew how to disconnect it, I promise you I would. So this is the star of today's show, the 2015 EcoBoost. This one is a rebuilt flood title. And speaking of rebuilt flood titles, so is the 98 Mitsubishi Eclipse. That one is also a rebuilt flood title. It runs perfect. It looks good. It's got some water spots on it. We have hard water out here. I washed it. I tried to dry it off before it got water spots. It's just, you know, that's how it goes. Listen to how perfect it runs. I actually really love this car. Interior's nice, and even after washing it, guess what? Seats are dry, interior's clean. I totally forgot that I'd already cleaned this car up. Oh, you know what? This one does have some problems. I totally forgot about it. Let's push the start button, get it started. So the screen comes on, and you can get the radio to come on. But aside from that, you cannot get heated seats. That's right, the air conditioning. AC doesn't work, and neither do these controls. The hazards work, but nothing else down here works. And to get the radio to work, like, you can push the screen, and to turn it up, you have to use the volume right here. You can't, this doesn't work. Tuning it here doesn't work. So you have to use your controls on the steering wheel. But the radio does work. It's just you got to do it from here. I totally forgot about that. That sucks. The convertible top works, but you have to do it manually. You have to release it and up and down like that. So why don't we take her for a quick drive? And, oh, we have backup camera works too. Ooh, I spun out. Jeez. It's, honestly, I like this little car, man. I do. I thought about giving it to Nick, but I don't think he's all that interested in it. He really seems to love his Saab. So I'm going to let him just stick to the old Saab. We're going to take this around the corner here. We're not going to do a whole bunch of driving today because I'm running out of daylight. Oh, we lost traction. Golly. You'd be surprised how peppy this little 4-cylinder is. If I remember right, this 2.3 liter turbo 4 is like 300 horsepower. So don't let it fool you, guys. It's actually And that blow-off valve, I love the sound of that. I love the sound of that. It's a fun car. It steers great. It shifts perfect, runs and drives fine. Miles is only 103,000 miles. So, I mean, it's not that bad. Speed limit's going to go up to 65 here. So we can kind of get on a little. I don't think we have any warning lights on. I don't have my seatbelt on, so it's got a seatbelt light, but... Oh, yeah. Oh, are we going 80? Whoa. Okay, slow it down. And that's another thing about this car. You don't realize how fast you're going. I had no idea it was going that fast. It doesn't feel like you're going that fast. This car started out pretty damn rough, guys, but it turned out all right, man. She is a blast. I think this is our turnaround spot right here. Yes, it is. Let's go ahead and hop off. Booyah. All right. Make sure we got no traffic here. We don't want to cut anybody off. And then we'll kind of flip it around here. Good. There we go. She shifts like a dream, man. I got a car flying up behind me. Everybody out here is a race car driver, you know what I mean? Speed limit's 65, I'm going 80, and I got somebody literally riding my backside there, you know? That's all right, though. Let them do what they do. You can go around me if I'm going too slow for you. Speed limit drops down to 45 here anyway. Anyway, I just wanted to take her out for a quick run so you guys can see, like, you can get out and you can smash on her, man. Not a problem at all. She'll do whatever you want her to do and more. You just gonna have to figure out the air conditioning and why the convertible top doesn't work. I got 2 new motors in it, but that didn't fix the convertible top not working. So I'm gonna pull over here real quick. We're gonna take some pictures, one for a thumbnail and one to get this thing listed up on Copart so I can put a link below the video for you guys. And we'll reconvene after that. Convertible top not secure. I don't know, man. I think the convertible top's gonna be all right, guys. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere, you know what I mean? All right. And off we go. Top down, man. This is nice. This is nice. I like this car. Okay, it may not be a V8, and obviously it's not going to be crazy powerful, but 300 horsepower from a 4-cylinder really isn't that bad, guys. And she scoots down the road just fine. And who needs air conditioning when you got a drop top? You know what I mean? Just hit 60 miles an hour and you got all the air conditioning your heart could ever desire. All right, guys, let's take this thing back to the house. I got to finish getting it listed on Copart so that we can get it up for sale. Let's see if we can go sneak up on old Monkey Wrench Mike. Let's see what he's up to. He's trying to get that old Maserati going. There's Roxy. Now this is what you should have bought, Mike. Yeah. 4-cylinder power.
Show off.
What do you think? With the top down, it looks pretty good, don't it?
I really do.
You want to buy it?
I'll trade you for a Maserati.
Oh, hell no. Hell no. No. Unless it runs. Does it run?
No, not yet.
No.
I found another piece of the puzzle, but yeah.
Oh, no.
Another one of those little green connectors, you know?
Oh, the CAN bus?
I ordered one. There's one under the passenger floorboard.
So it's
on the ground.
Trashed.
So there's one ordered, but it hasn't arrived yet. So.
Well, you just got to make another trip down here.
I know.
This
Someday
is
I got to drive cars back, too.
Yeah, I was thinking about that today. I was thinking, we got to figure out a way for me to come up there, I guess, and grab you and come down here. We may load up the trailer. Yeah, we can load up the trailer. You can drive a car. I can trailer one of your cars.
Yeah.
And then come back. How many do you have? 3? You got 3 out front. So if we trailer one and you drive one,
That's 2.
there's 2. Then I bring you back. I can drop off my trailer.
Yeah.
And you can drive the 3rd one home. Yeah, it's perfect. Just,
I guess that would work.
yeah. Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
It's going to be a long day.
Which one's going to make it, though?
They'll all make, well, okay, you did the timing belt on that Lexus.
Yeah,
So that'll make it.
Yeah.
And you did brakes on it too, I think, didn't you, or no?
No, I got them. I haven't put them on yet.
Okay, well, and my Lexus will make it.
Okay.
You just got to put air in the tire.
Yeah.
I drove that car
Will it hold air
80
for
miles?
2
Yeah.
miles?
Oh, yeah.
2
It
hours?
holds air for a day.
Okay.
Yeah, it ain't gonna leak out. They'll all be fine. And if
The
not,
Mercedes will make it.
if it doesn't, I got a truck and trailer. We'll just, you jump in, we'll finish the trip, go drop off the car, come back. It could make it for a great day of videos.
That's a lot of
A
driving.
great day of videos, Mike.
Woo!
I just took this thing out for a ride, man.
That's why you're happy.
This is one of my flood cars. This thing is just, and look how the interior cleaned up too. I mean, it
looks good.
this and the Eclipse came out so nice.
Yep.
If the Maserati will ever run, we could probably make it look good too.
I can't even move the seats. So, yeah.
Well, I'm going to finish getting this thing listed up on Copart.
Yeah.
As much as I hate to sell everything, like, it's tax time. You know, by the time they actually get up and people start bidding on them and everything, you know, people's going to start getting their taxes in. Dealers, this is my theory. All right, is dealers are going to be looking for cars if they don't already have them stocked up. So dealers are going to be hunting. Public's going to be hunting. People are going to start getting their tax money in, and I figure this is probably the best time to unload all of my cars and hope that I can get a decent amount of money for each one of them. And
What's your recoup on this one, do you know?
I honestly, I don't even remember what I paid for it.
Ooh. Yeah.
I think I paid $8.
Okay.
So
It looks great, though.
yeah, and I took great pictures over down at the general store in front of the American flag.
Oh,
yeah, yeah.
nice.
That's where I'm going to do my pictures for the Copart. For the Copart listings.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Love it.
All right. Well, let me finish getting this thing listed up for sale, and then I can come back and give you guys the stock number. What?
Are you trying to be in my video, or am I in your video?
I think this is. Hey, did we just become best friends?
Oh, boom.
So that's going to be about it for the video, guys. I do have the Mustang listed up on Copart, so I will give you the stock number right now. Here it is, and it is stock number 471377275. Not to worry, you don't have to remember it. I'll put a link in the video for you. We've got the Monte Carlo, we've got the Cavalier, we've got the Mustang, and we have the Mitsubishi Eclipse. They are all up now. As of the making of this video, they are upcoming, which means you can put them on your watch list. But when this video comes out, they may already be up for sale. Sometimes Copart works really, really fast. So just put them on your watch list, and you'll be notified as soon as they come up for sale. Monkey Wrench Mike and I are about to start on this car. This is a big one. This is one that I'm really rooting for, man. I love the look of it. I'd love to drive it. I really want to take this thing out on a ride. It's got projector headlights, that beautiful red. The sun is killing me. Interior is gorgeous on this car. So if you haven't seen this car on the channel yet, we already did one video, but unfortunately I couldn't get it running. So we have, and this is not a 2+2 either. I had a lot of people asking if it's a 2+2, and it is not, I don't think anyway. No. This is not a 2+2. You got a little bar back there. There's an amp, so there used to be a stereo back there. And a trailer hitch, which is different. I don't know why you'd want a trailer hitch on this. I'm hoping, I know the starter is easy to get to, and I damaged the bumper. I may have to hit up Mako to fix my, yeah, oops, I hit it. What happened is Jessica, I'll actually blame her for this. She helped me, but she did not hit the brakes hard enough, and it rolled down my hill here and right into the front of my wrecked Blazer. So It was not good. Somewhere under here, I was told, is the fuel pump. Supposedly it's under, like under this cover right there. There's supposed to be an access panel, or does this just pop up? Anyway, I'm not gonna mess with it in this video. Stay tuned, you're gonna have to watch. But Monkey Wrench Mike and I are gonna get started on this, and we're gonna try our damnedest to get this thing running. Because if we can get this thing running and driving, this is one I don't want to get rid of. This is one I'll keep it forever, Mike.
You're just showing off. I get all my flood cars started. They all work for me.
Actually, no, all of my flood cars do run.
Yeah, I know. Save
all
all
of
time.
them. You ought to buy some more. Hey, why not?
Yeah.
It's fun.
If this is fun, I don't know.
That's okay. I was bidding on 3 more from Florida, and I lost all of them today. Prices
really?
are getting crazy. One was a Hellcat.
Oh, I saw that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
one.
that's nice.
Yeah, so then I went and I bid on a Durango Hellcat in New York, one that was stolen, and that one went for too much money. And then I bid on a 30,000 mile 2004 Yukon Denali XL.
Ooh.
Like a snowbird's, you know, it had been just sitting, beautiful, perfect body, perfect interior, listed as a run and drive.
Yeah.
I had it, man, until the auction started, and then it jumped up over $5 grand. I had to walk away from it.
Woo.
Anyway, if you're interested in the Mustang, you know where it is. Check it out. God dang, this thing. This thing actually looks really damn good. Wow. Every time I see it, I keep thinking I should force Nick to take this instead of the Saab. This will probably be better. Probably more reliable. With that, guys, I'm going to get out of here. Go check out Monkey Wrench Mike's channel if you don't know who he is. I'll put a link to him below this video, too. You got to see his upcoming videos on the Miserably.
You got the name right.
Of course.
Everybody knows the name.
I watch your videos. Even though I'm here watching you make them, I still watch them anyway. I'm that kind of guy, man. I'm supporting the channel. I am going to get out of here, though, guys. If you enjoyed today's video, hit the thumbs up button and let me know. Consider subscribing to the channel if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.